Hello everyone, welcome back. And this is Naveen from UI Brains. So last few videos we were discussing about Angular. So Angular concepts we have discussed like routing, navigation, and how to fetch data from server. So front end part we have discussed. So this is a new tutorial series on main stack. So main stack is actually a full stack of Angular. It means we will be developing not just a front end application, we also develop a complete full stack application. It means front end plus back end. Okay, so here the main stack is nothing but M stands for MongoDB and E stands for Express.js and A stands for Angular and N stands for Node.js. Okay, so these four technologies will combine together and we will develop an application. So in the entire series of this main stack tutorial, we will be developing one application, that is a big basket application. So in the big basket application, we have a set of products. So those products we um, will be showcasing and we will be making some CRUD operations on those products. Okay, so we'll be using these four technologies in this main stack. So uh, and how the application looks like is this one. So this is one big basket application we are going to develop in this series of tutorial. And here you have a nav bar and this is a landing page. So where you have two uh, special links. One is products and admin page. So when I click on a products, you can see all the list of products which are available, and this data actually coming from a database. So this products information is coming from MongoDB database, and in behind one Node.js or Express.js server is running, and that is projecting you the data. Okay, and this front end application we're gonna build on Angular. Okay, so this is the products page, and when you want to update any information on this screen, we have a admin page. So when we go to admin page, yeah, this is the admin page where you can create a new product. When you click on create, it goes for the create form where you can create a product. And so this is the table. So here if you want to update a product, you need to just click on update button. So that will go to the update page where you can update the existing products, and you can also delete a product. So you can make the four kind of operations. One is create product and display, that is read operation, and update and delete. So create, read, update and delete. So four types of CRUD operations we'll be making in this application. And whatever updation you have done in this page, it also reflects on the products page based on updation. Okay, so here there actually are no login system I have made here just to make you understand how to develop a full stack application. Okay, using a main stack application using the technologies called main stack. Okay, so this is the application we're going to develop in this series. Okay, so let's just start.